Welcome to Believers English Academy Suttara branch. I hope that you are held and hearty by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm fit as a fiddle by the merciful Allah. Thank you so much for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about my journey with Believers English Academy. I was a student of Believers English Academy, and I have been staying in Believers English Academy for last 9 months more. And I did my IELTS course from Believers English Academy. And during my course time, I thought that I need to improve my English speaking skills. And after that, I told Siu sir that I would like to join Believers English Academy as a mentor, and it's my dream also to be a teacher. And I didn't think that Siu sir will take me as a mentor, but Alhamdulillah, without any kind of reason, Siu sir has taken me, and I can say proudly, I'm a teacher of Believers English Academy. And also, I have been teaching in Believers English Academy from 7 days. Now it's 19 days running. And I would like to say you that Believers English Academy not only focus on study, but also they focus on their students' career. So if you want to make your bright future, so come to Believers English Academy, and Believers English Academy will think about your future, and you don't have to think about your future like me. And I would like to say something in Uttara branch, like Uttara branch has come from Believers English Academy. So we have cultivated, and you are getting the harvest. Am I right or wrong? And we can say that Shoni Rakta branch is the best. Am I right or wrong? Yes. And let's give a slogan, like when I will say we love, that you have to say believers. We love, we love, we love. And finally, I would like to say something about my Siu sir. And I met a person, he is not anyone, he is our Siu sir. And I have learned many things from Siu sir. And I get some experience as well as also some motivational speech also. And that is helping in my life to build a bright future. And finally, I would like to thank you so much, our Siu sir, to make this type of institution where everyone can learn English, and as well as they can make their bright future also. And I did my IELTS course in Bangladesh. You will never get this kind of institution where you will get residential care and 6 days classes in a week. But Believers English Academy is giving you 6 days classes in a week, and in IELTS as well as residential care. So I have searched many institutions to do my IELTS course, but I didn't get this type of institution. And my father helped me to get a Believers English Academy. And I am trying to move from Bangladesh. This is the sad things. And I have stayed in Believers English Academy 9 months more. And when I think that I will leave from Believers English Academy, I am thinking that I am leaving from my family. And also, I have nothing to say like about this matter. And I love Believers English Academy seriously, and thank you so much, Siu sir.